Alright, welcome to the channel. In today's video, my brother's going to install a couple items on his bike. A while back, in one of my videos, we were at a gas station and his bike wouldn't start. So he went to jump his bike. So he had a little problem connecting the jumpers up to his battery. One of the things he wants to install is a battery terminal extension block. Alright, he's going to put it on the positive side because it's hard to get the clips on there. Alright. And then while he's got that, he wants to add a battery tender harness because he doesn't have one on that bike. Quick little video for him to do. Links will be in the description below for both items. Or you can check out the website link in the description below for all the products that we use on this channel. Little website I made up, just of all the product links. And just to let you know that I am an affiliate with Amazon. If you use any of the links to purchase your products, just want to let you know that I do receive a real small commission. Let's get to the video. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. Give a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think? All right. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Well, let's see here. I'm back in my garage. Doing yet another smaller install video. The weather is getting kind of cold. Yeah, kind of cold. We had a frost last night. So my plans are to get the bike, somewhat ready for winter. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up, and then we'll go from there. All right. So I don't have a battery tender on the bike right now, so I went ahead and bought one. Pretty straightforward. However, I did buy a really thick one. I think this is like 12 gauge or something like that. It's just a short little one with a nice cover on it and a fuse, as you can see. And my plan is for now to have it come out the side. Basically, coming out the side, I'm just going to have it sticking right in here. Sticking out right in here. So I can just grab it and tender it. I'm not sure. I might eventually buy one that I can, you can cut a little hole here and have it just stuck right in the side. Or, whatever. You can have it come out a lot of different places if you really wanted to. You can come out here. You can come out over and through here. Here might be an easy one too if you could get it to stick somehow. Anyways, that's my plan right now, is put that on. The other plan is if you ever had a dead battery on a Goldwing, the negative is the negative is not bad to jump. Put jumper cables on, but the positive is terrible. So if you have small enough ones, you can grab onto it. If not, you're never going to get them in there. So I bought a, from Electrical Connections there, it's a battery post relocator. Basically, it just connects and then sticks down. It's not overly expensive, but not overly cheap either. But basically, you can see how it goes right there from the picture. It allows you to connect to the bottom of that terminal a little bit easier because it's not, the fender's not in the way. I'm actually bought two of them. My plan is to put the positive on. I'm just going to marker this one black, and so I can actually have it identical on the bottom side. I'm not sure if this is going to work. Worth a shot. I'm going to plan on putting both those on today. So I'll show you when I get the case off. Basically, I'm just going to do this with, I'm going to see if I can do it without removing my seat. Basically, you just take this off and see how things go. All right, so I got the panel off. Actually, it should be a pretty easy add. I can just, I don't even know, so I can put that one in. There's the positive right there. I should be able to just unscrew that, put it on, and drop it back on. Hopefully it fits. Now the question is, I don't think I can put a negative on because it's going to be sitting, it'll be too much of a block. I'll have to see. But I'll check it out. Well, that was actually a really easy install. As you can see right here, I got this cord on. Just take out the screw, put it there. I did not put the other block on because that one's actually kind of easy to get to. Now there's so I took the bolt out here, the screw that was originally there, and I left the original plug-in. Now you can see there's a spacer behind there that lets you, and I have it angled out a little bit so it's easier away from this thing. Okay? So then I just cover that back up. And then I have the other thing back here. Basically you just pop this off. You don't even have to put the cover back on unless you really want to, but I covered it back up for now. But you pop this off and it's easy to jump because you can connect right there. And then I'm just gonna figure out where I'm gonna run this thing. And I'll show you that in a minute when it's all set. There. I got everything back together. For now, I actually decided to pop it out right here. As you can see. I could actually push it back there if I wanted to. But right now it's just sitting there. I got it kind of zip tied. There, it's all done. Very, very easy job.